Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about Your Skincare. Your is a skincare brand that is personally suited to your skincare needs. Basically, on their website, as you can see, they're having a huge Black Friday sale for 45% off. But basically, if you go to their website, you can take a skin quiz, which basically asks for your name, your behavior, and just a bunch of information so that they can personalize your skincare to suit your skin. So as you guys can see, I'm opening up the box right now, and there are exactly 4 products that were recommended to me, along with a super cute headband that they package along with it. So they also send a card to instruct which ones to use in the morning and which ones to use at night. So this is day 1. I had just woken up, and I'm going to be using the cleanser as well as the day cream, which is basically just a sunscreen. But I'm going to be very thorough with washing my face since I'm only going to be showing you guys days 1 and day 7. So starting out, I was actually pretty nervous filming this video because I didn't want my phone to fall in the sink or anything. But I'm just applying a dime-sized amount of cleanser onto my finger. And then I'm lathering it onto my cheeks and my forehead. I'm not wearing makeup. It's actually recommended that you prepare your skin before using these products. So if you're wearing makeup and you want to use the cleanser, for example, it's recommended that you use a makeup wipe or remover to remove anything else before using these. So I'm just washing off the cleanser. Painstakingly, because I just want to make sure that I'm cleaning my face. Pat it off with a paper towel. Voila. Now onto the day cream, or the sunscreen, I should say. Again, I just put kind of just a pea-sized amount onto my finger. And then I lightly apply it onto my skin. I also put some on my neck as well. And now that my face is all dry, I kind of touch my face just to see how it feels. And to be honest, you guys, after using these just once, my skin just looked so radiant. I was smiling. I felt like I was just glowing, and my skin also felt soft as butter, which I absolutely loved. So now I'm going to show you guys nighttime. I got the headband out, remembered that. And I'm just using the same cleanser from morning. Same amount. Applying that on my finger. Rolling the sleeves up and proceeding to wash my face. I really like to get in there, you guys. I really like to lather my face. It may not look like there's a lot of soap on my face, but there was. And I just quickly rinse it off. Then I go in with this serum. This is a vitamin C serum. It actually comes with a little dropper that you can use, which I didn't find until honestly the very last day of me filming this, and I still didn't use it. So I'm just applying it with my fingers, and it feels pretty refreshing. But basically, it's just an antioxidant that's really good for your skin at night. Then I apply the night cream, and I just use a dime-sized amount as recommended. And I apply it all over my face. I think this is the part where it actually is very personalized, in my opinion, like the night cream. And there we go. Skin's looking good, feeling good. I really like it. Now I'm going to show you guys a week later. I actually went on a trip, so that's why there's a change of scenery. But again, just using the same products in the same order. Got my headband on and everything. And here's my skin after 1 week. Again, my nighttime routine. I think I just used the cleanser that night because I remember I was desperately trying to find my serum, which I didn't find until the next morning, and it was on the sink counter, hiding behind my makeup, but regardless, feeling good. So if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code which you can find in the description box down below, and you will get all of these amazing goodies. Make sure you guys check out their site. I'll link it in the description box as well if you guys want to check it out and snag these. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.